Hey everybody, it's Ken. Welcome to Ranger Overland Adventure. We're going to do a quick review on a TSEC 360 chair. Hold up 300 pounds. You can get it in many different colors. It swivels around and could hold me with no problem. Thing I like about it is it's higher than most of the small compact chair, so it's easier to get up. It comes in different colors. And a cool thing about it, it will collapse into a small bag. And we're going to put the links and the descriptions below. And it fits inside our overland rig in the back, so we can sit inside if we want. And it's compact that we can just store it. So we're going to fold up the legs, show you how small it gets. Fold this around. And then fold up this part. Fold up this here. And then you find the Velcro strap. Bring it all the way around. Close it up. It comes into this small size. And we also put it into this small bag. Company's name TSEC. We'll put the link in the description. Some costs of these small chairs are about $140 or so, but this is $99 now. This is going by yours now, and we'll see you in the next video.